Oh, my darling, what happened? I heard you were crying on the phone. Is everything all right?
No, everything is messed up. I lost our little cat this morning.
Which one, Toby or Mina?
Both of them. Unbelievable. Why did it happen to me? I cannot live without the cats.
Calm down, babe. We'll find a way. Now, tell me the whole story. When did you recognize that the cats were gone?
I'm having trouble breathing right now. Please give me a cup of water.
Okay, right away. Breathe, honey. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Okay, in and out. Here you go. Do you feel now?
Thank you so much, honey. I'm feeling a lot better now. Thank God you're here with me. I was out of mind.
No problem. I'm always here for you. Now tell me, why did the cat get out?
I was cooking in the kitchen when I heard somebody knock on the door. That's what the mailman, he delivered your package. I put it on the table over there. Then, I guess when I got inside the house, I did forget to close the door. So, the cat just went out and disappeared.
When did you recognize the cats were gone?
I don't know exactly when they left, but I only found out about their disappearance 30 minutes after the mailman had left.
Do you think they would be in the neighborhood house?
Maybe. Normally they love playing with the dog's next door. Should we ask Mr. Aiden?
Yes. Let me call him now. Hello, Mr. Aiden. How are you? I'm good. How are you doing, my friend? I'm okay. Hey, I'm just wondering if our cats are in your garden right now. Your cats? My garden? Why? Who let them there? I just planted some new beautiful flowers yesterday. Please take them back. I don't want those silly animals to step on my flowers. No, Mr. Aiden, you got me wrong. I'm just asking if my cats were there because we lost them this morning. I don't know. I'm not home now. I'm in Hawaii. You can have a look through the fence. Oh, you're not home? Okay, I'll tell my wife to take a look. Enjoy your vacation, Mr. Aiden. Sorry for bothering. Yeah, it's okay. If the cats were not on my property, I thought they could be on your roof. There was one time I saw them chasing each other there. Oh, thank you for letting me know. We checked that place too. Thank you one more time. See you later. Good luck. See you then.
I checked Mr. Aiden Gardens, but I could not see the cats. And I didn't see his dog either. What did he say to you?
Of course, you didn't see his dog because he is in Hawaii right now. He told me to check on the roof. Do you think our cats will be there? I don't have any clues. Maybe they want to catch the birds? Shh, listen. I heard the sound on the rooftop. They're about to play up there. Come with me.
All right, honey, be careful.
Oh, not the cats. It's just the apple dropped off the branch.
Where could they be? So weird.
They probably run very far from our house right now.
They must be very hungry right now. I had not prepared the food for them yet.
You don't have to worry about that. If they are starving, the cats will probably find something to eat on the street. Okay, come on, let's go down.
Yes, please wait for a moment. I'm here. Hi, Danny. Why are you here? I think you're with your dad right now in Hawaii.
No, I'm sick. I didn't want to go. My dad called me. He told me that you guys are looking for the cat.
Yes, that's right. Did you see them?
Yes, they were in my yard an hour ago. They played with my dog. And they looked very hungry. As a result,
Yes, I knew it. See, honey, I told you. The cats might be in the neighbor's garden. And they were hungry? Oh, my poor little cats. What did you do? Where are they right now?
oh, babe, you need to let Danny finish his sentence. Can we know what happened next, Danny? Nothing special. I just gave them a small piece of ham. They ate that and went away. I didn't know where would they go.
What? Are you trying to say that the cats are not in your place right now?
Yeah, what a pity. I hope you find them soon. My dogs love them too. Bye, Mr. and Mrs. Green. I gotta go now. See you. Thank you so much, Danny. Please let us know if you accidentally see the cats passing by your house again. Sure. Bye.
I think we should make a missing cat poster. Somebody might see it and return the cats to us.
We are not allowed to paste the poster on the trees in the neighborhood anymore, remember? Let me see.
Alternatively, you can drive me around looking for them right now. I can't wait any longer. I'm afraid that something horrible will happen to them. Please be in a hurry. Somebody might have killed them already. Or the cat could smash them on the road. Oh my holy God.
Honey, come to a head. Don't be panicked. We are in America. Nobody will do that to the pets.
How do you know? We can just sit here and wait for them. We must do something. I'm really worried.
Shh. Listen. Listen. Shh. Did you hear something?
No, don't be silly. That's just the apple again.
No, not the apple. There is no apple that can make the sound meow.
What? Are you serious?
Did you hear that? Where does it come from?
I think it's from the basement down here. How could I get into that?
Help me open the door.
The door is old. Be careful.
Oh, look! This is why we haven't seen the cats anywhere. They were here for the whole time.
I thought they were in Danny's garden. Why are they here?
It's probable that the ham is not enough for those hungry stomachs. So they decided to return home. But I still have no idea how they could get in here.
It doesn't matter anymore. We found our cats and they're safe now. What a relief.
See, I told you everything will be okay. You were just overacting. Now I need to get back to work. See you tonight. We celebrate at a restaurant.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, honey. Love you. Bye.